if you're asked to do a decision maker meeting and they say, yeah, can you join us? We're starting in 15 minutes and you're out somewhere. What's it going to say when you call in on that phone? So be thinking full picture here, a 360 picture of who you are.
Exactly. And that is our session for today. Folks, just one call to action. We would ask you to be sure to grab your calendar for next week. Have a calendar on hand. If you didn't have one, you didn't want to go purchase one, just print off the 12, maybe on your desktop, just print off 12 calendars where you can at least fill them out, because we're going to go through some things next week, and you want to make sure to have them on your calendar as we move forward. So that wraps up our call today. Everybody looks excited. Woody Andrews, Randall, I see everybody sitting there looking excited. Austin, I see you. Cheryl, Scott, we see everybody looking excited. So can we get one final wave from everyone? We look forward to seeing you next week. And on the scoop, hey, Happy New Year to you. We look forward to working with